So once these stem cells which have been induced is actually given back into the patient's body in a targeted manner, these stem cells perform their action in three major ways. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sahiba Singh. I am the Assistant Director at the Global Institute of Stem Cell Therapy and Research, Chandigarh branch. We are an established institute of regenerative medicine in the region. When we talk about osteoarthritis, it is basically about a type of arthritis which is the most common chronic joint condition facing like millions of people in the world. And basically in this condition what happens is that the weight bearing joints are the primarily ones who are involved. For example, our knee joints, the hip joints. In all of these weight bearing joints, due to different pathologies which can range from age related wear and tear or trauma due to excessive running or due to injury, all of these processes trigger the degeneration of the supporting cartilage, which is supposed to support the two bones and prevent them from basically rubbing into each other and support the clean movement of the joint. All of this damage and degeneration leads to clinical symptoms in a patient like difficulty in walking, stiffness. The prime symptom which the patient comes to us is with pain. So once the patient comes to us, we have the primary analysis done based upon the symptoms, which can include pain, difficulty in walking, morning stiffness, or how the patient is facing other difficulties in gait, and sometimes the patient also has associated back pain, which is due to the patient preferring one side of the knee as compared to the other in order to prevent pain on the affected knee. For that, then we have the analysis given to us in the form of grades. Grades 1, 2, 3, 4, which grade 1 being the least affected, grade 4 being the most severe. The prognosis is based upon that along with the comorbidities the patient holds. We receive significant improvements up to grade 3 initial stages. After that, grade 3 advanced and grade 4, in which basically both the bone surfaces touch. In those, we always counsel the patient that the prognosis is basically for pain management and not a complete relief. But in patients with the grade 1, 2 or 3 beginning, we have seen significant changes in the cartilage regeneration as well as smoothening of the cartilage. X-ray changes can be seen after 3 sessions, completion of 9 months beyond that. So with this, I would like to present one of our cases of osteoarthritis in which we have an X-ray for reference. In this X-ray, as we've seen, there is this kissing bone phenomena coming towards the medial compartment in which the two bones are joining, whereas the lateral compartment still has some space. Hence, we are pointing out that there is still a cartilage amount left in the lateral side. When we talk about 12 months after our stem cell therapy, in this case we are talking about the knee joint. So the medial compartment, after 12 months we can see that there is certain gap which is coming between the two bones, which is actually the evidence of formation of new cartilage in that medial compartment. So stem cells basically are a very good alternate to one of the most common surgeries which is done nowadays, that is total knee replacement. But it's an alternative only when the patient is eligible, for example grade 1, grade 2, not in all conditions. In this, what we do is the stem cells which are used are adult mesenchymal stem cells which can be extracted from the patient's body himself or herself via liposuction. Those stem cells are purified and actually induced for differentiation into chondrocytes. Chondrocyte being the most common type of cell which is damaged due to apoptosis of the cartilage. So this is then infused back into the patient body via 2 routes. One is the IV infusion, which is done to increase the general well-being of the patient, decrease inflammation, improve the muscle strength. Second is the targeted infusion. Targeted infusion is done only in the joint which is affected. It can be both knees via an intra-articular injection, or it can be both hips via an intra-articular injection, and in cases like rheumatic arthritis etc., it can be in the small joints as well. So once these stem cells which have been induced is actually given back into the patient's body in a targeted manner, these stem cells perform their action in three major ways. One, they decrease the inflammation of the joint by being their immunomodulatory action. They actually stop the inflammation to a level that the pain is relieved of the patient. Hence the patient, once is able to be relieved of the pain, then can get back to the physiotherapy because joint bearing starts, joint weight bearing starts. So once the physiotherapy sets in, then the patient always feels better and the movement is also improved. And because the cartilage which is separating the two bones receives its nutrition via weight bearing. So once such patients who were developing pain and now preventing themselves from walking too much or something, they were basically decreasing the supply of blood or decreasing the supply of nutrition to the already damaged tissue. So this is how the stem cells help. Secondly, they help with the regeneration.
Hi, my name is Megha and I'm from Noida. My age is 30 years and in 2002 I had met with an accident. Because I have osteoarthritis, trauma-induced osteoarthritis in my left knee, I used to have a lot of pain in my daily core activities such as walking or squatting or climbing stairs. So even if I have to climb 10 or 15 stairs, it used to be a mammoth task for me. So I heard about Geostar and they're offering stem cell therapy for osteoarthritis, which would help in relieving my pain and also in cartilage regeneration. So as of now, on date, we have undergone 2 stem cell therapy cycles and it has helped me a lot. It has helped me a lot in relieving my pain and carrying out various day-to-day activities such as walking or climbing stairs. So rather, I can climb 3 floors also without a flinch, and I would really like to thank Geostar. They have helped me a lot.